Let's see how to map source data to a target table in Integration Hub Import. In the navigation bar, select All, and navigate to Integration Hub, and select Integration Hub Import. Select your integration under the Integrations section. In the Map to Target page, select Add a Table. Enter the target table name. In this example, the target table is the CMN_location table. Select Save to confirm the mapping. Select the target table. Then select Add a field to start mapping data. Select the target field from the name drop-down. You can also automatically add and map fields by selecting Auto Map drop-down. And choose all matching fields in the target table from the Auto Map options. Now the Auto Map is completed, click OK. You can remove a value from the target table by clicking the X in the Value data pill. Add values to the target table by dragging the data pill from the source data to the target table. Click Save.